Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is March 28th, 2025, and we're taking a look at Google, Alphabet, better known as Google. We're going to be discussing both recent news and the chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. First, let's take a quick look at the recent news. According to recent searches, investors are closely monitoring the potential impacts of inflation and trade wars, particularly regarding tariffs on the auto industry. Concerns about consumer confidence and the Fed's interest rate policy also seem to be weighing on the market. However, big tech, including Google, is still being heavily invested in. Some analysts see Google's diversification and dominance in online advertising and cloud computing as a reason to be bullish, with some even predicting a price target of $5,000 by the end of the year. However, antitrust lawsuits and regulatory risks remain a concern. Now, let's dive into the chart data. We'll start with the one-day chart to get a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see significant volatility over the past several months. We have seen highs of 200 in December 2024 and January 2025 before a pullback. There was a significant dip in early August of 2024, which was later recovered. Overall, Google appears to be trending upwards, with some significant pullbacks. We'll now need to zoom into a smaller time frame to get a sense of what is going on recently. Moving to the 1-hour chart, we can analyze the more recent price action. Looking at the 1-hour chart, between March 7th and March 12th there has been a lot of movement. It looks to be ranging between 165 and 170. Then there is a significant drop before recovering back to around 163. To get a more granular view of today's trading activity, let's switch to the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, we can see the most recent candles bouncing back and forth. It seems to be trading around 165 right now, consolidating on the 15-minute chart. The high volume on some of these candles indicate that more investors were in disagreement at these price points, compared to the candles trading volume at a lower price. Considering both the news and the charts, what's the outlook for Google? The mixed economic signals and regulatory uncertainties contribute to a somewhat bearish short-term outlook. On the other hand, sustained growth in cloud computing and online advertising could lead to a more bullish long-term scenario. However, the stock would need to break through resistance at 175 and then 180 to reinforce the bullish view, while a drop below 160 could signal further downside. Keep an eye on the news regarding any regulatory actions or new product launches, as these could significantly impact the stock's direction. In the next few days, keep an eye on how the consumer confidence numbers may affect the markets.